Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. We got both them tracks on, we got them both tensioned. I ended up getting the measurements and resetting all that when we got done, and the dimensions are earlier in the video. There's a tool you can get, you can probably buy it at Toro or a Toro dealer, a little T-shaped thing that shows the dimension that tensioner is supposed to be, but there's also a measurement, and that measurement is in the description, or not in the description but in the video. Heads up, I wanted to give y'all an update. I still am waiting to get some material and money to buy material so I can get started on the shop. And then the other thing, we're waiting on the weather to cooperate. We're supposed to get some ice tonight, possibly rain, freezing rain. It's going to be nasty, and it's probably going to last a couple of days. I think this weekend it's still going to be kind of cool until Sunday. It'll be in the, I believe, in the 60s on Sunday. But anyhow, the video's done. I had a couple of little things to do to it. I had a grommet to replacing the fuel tank that had come undone and it was leaking fuel. Got that fixed and got the machine back to the owner so they could put it to work this morning. And I'm not sure if they even used it with the weather as crappy as it is, but it's done and it's ready for when they do need it next. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and if you haven't already, subscribe, like the video, share it. I still gotta get my watch hours up. I'm 100 and something watch hours away from getting monetized, but I'm getting real close. So if y'all decide you want to do donations for some reason, I'd love it. I have a link to a PayPal in the main channel description. We will see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Later.